In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can link your Fortnite account to a Nintendo Switch or a Switch 2 account for Chapter 7. It really is super easy, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you can actually do this on Fortnite, so either on a PC or smartphone or really any other device, go ahead and open up a web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you'd like. And what you're going to want to do is actually go to epicgames.com. Once you are in epicgames.com, simply go ahead and sign into your account up in the top right. And after you sign in, go ahead and select on your name and then hit account to bring up your account details. Now, on the left-hand sidebar in your account details, you're going to see an option for linked accounts. Go ahead and select that. And from here, go ahead and select accounts on this page. And you're going to see Nintendo account is on here. Simply go ahead and select link where mine currently says unlink and then press connect account. And once you do, just simply sign into your Nintendo account and confirm the connection. Once you are linked up, all your skins, levels, rewards, and progress is going to sync up across every single platform that you play on, whether it's Switch, Xbox, PlayStation, PC, really anything that's on here. Now, if you do get an error, your Nintendo account may be connected to a different Epic account. Just unlink it from the old account first and then retry the steps. It really is as simple as that, though. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.